We'll guide you through how to make and host a Kahoot quiz. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've probably played Kahoot before, and now you want to make a quiz. So to go and do this, you can do it on a phone or a computer. If you're using a phone, we can get the Kahoot app. On a computer, go to the Kahoot website. So I've got the app here, go and open it up. If you haven't already got an account, go and press next and create one. I do, so I can go and click on login like so and sign in. After you signed in or created your account, what you need to do is go to the bottom and click on create. So there's a few different ways you can go and create a Kahoot quiz. You've got the generator, you can scan your notes, you can use templates or create one from scratch. In this case, I'm going to go and create it from scratch, but templates are super useful. So when you click on create from scratch, you can go and add a cover photo. Then what you can do is go and enter in a title. You can go and choose a theme. As you can see, I've got the standard one, but there are so many to go and choose from. And you can see how it's going to go and look on mobile and desktop as well. You can then choose the visibility. So you can have private or public. I'll keep it to private. We can then click on add question in the bottom right. So then we've got all these different options for how we can go and add questions. In this case, I'll select quiz, click on tap to add question and type it in. After you've entered in the question, you can then start adding in the answers. What's important is that one of the answers is the correct answer, so go and switch one on like so. Then after you've done that, you can go and click on the plus button in the bottom right like that, and we can go and add another. So this time I could do a true or false. Make sure you set true or false as the correct answer, and you can then click on the arrow in the top left. What I'll then do is go and add a cover photo. I've now finished for now, so I'll click save in the top right, and there it is. Of course, you can add more questions. To run it, go and click on it. At the bottom, you've got host or play solo. I'll click on host, and I can then click on live game. You can go and choose a mode, and you can then scroll down on the mode and click on start over to the right. The pin will go and load, and people can either use the Kahoot app or go to the website. And that's it.